Ideogram versus Midjourney AI image generators. Choosing the right tool can transform how you create stunning visuals without complicated setups. Both offer powerful AI-driven creativity but differ in approach and features. Ideogram and Midjourney are leading AI image generators with distinct methods. Ideogram excels in structured concept-driven designs, while Midjourney focuses on artistic, highly detailed imagery. The core difference lies in Ideogram's concept clarity versus Midjourney's creative freedom. Ideogram is an AI image generator designed for creating concept-driven visuals with precision. It works by interpreting user inputs into structured, clear images, making it ideal for design projects requiring specific themes or ideas. Ideogram uses advanced AI models to translate textual prompts into organized imagery, often favored for presentations, branding, and concept art. Its strength lies in delivering coherent and focused visuals quickly, reducing the need for extensive editing. However, it may have limitations in producing highly artistic or abstract images compared to more creative AI tools. Ideal users include designers, marketers, and professionals who need reliable, concept-accurate visuals without sacrificing clarity. According to Ideogram, its interface supports easy iteration and customization, streamlining workflow for teams and individuals alike. Midjourney is a popular AI image generator known for producing richly detailed and artistically expressive images. It operates by interpreting user prompts with a focus on creativity and stylistic depth, often resulting in visually stunning and imaginative outputs. Midjourney's strengths include its ability to create complex textures, lighting effects, and artistic nuances that appeal to artists, illustrators, and creators seeking unique visuals. It supports a wide range of styles, from photorealistic to surreal, making it versatile for various creative projects. However, this freedom can sometimes lead to less predictable results, requiring users to refine prompts or perform additional editing. Midjourney is ideal for users who prioritize exploration and originality, including digital artists and content creators. As detailed on midjourney.com, it integrates Wheel with platforms like Discord, enabling community collaboration and prompt sharing. Comparing Ideogram and Midjourney reveals clear trade-offs. Ideogram suits projects demanding clarity and concept accuracy, such as branding or product design, where precise visual communication is key. Midjourney excels in artistic freedom, perfect for creative storytelling, concept art, or experimental visuals. While Ideogram offers faster, more predictable outputs, Midjourney provides richer detail and style variety, but may require more prompt refinement. For example, a marketing team might choose Ideogram for consistent branding assets, while an illustrator might prefer Midjourney for unique character designs. Both tools leverage advanced AI but cater to different creative needs, balancing structure against artistic expression. Choose Ideogram if you need clear, concept-driven images quickly with minimal tweaking, especially for professional or business-oriented visual projects. Midjourney is the best choice for artists and creators who want rich, imaginative visuals with stylistic depth. It encourages creative exploration and unique results, making it ideal for those prioritizing artistic expression over strict precision. Pick the tool that fits your creative goals.